If you're looking for a toy that delivers both fun and a little futuristic flair, this Transform remote control car is a total win. This was sent for me from the brand for my honest evaluation. Right out of the box, the RC car looks sleek, but the real magic happens when you hit that one button transform feature. With just a press, it smoothly morphs into a robot, complete with LED lights and energetic sound effects that make it feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. The car itself handles really well, whether it's racing across the living room or flipping into robot mode mid-play. What makes this toy extra cool is the built-in STEM programming mode, which lets kids learn simple coding concepts while having a blast. It's rugged enough to take a few bumps and scrapes, so it's definitely built for real-world play, not just display. Whether your kid is 5 or 12, this toy feels like it hits the sweet spot for age-appropriate fun, excitement, and just the right dose of learning. It's one of those toys that kids won't want to put down, and honestly, even adults might sneak in a turn or two. Another standout feature is how engaging this toy is for group play. Kids love showing off the transforming action to friends, and it quickly becomes a centerpiece of any play date. The remote is intuitive enough for younger kids to pick up quickly, but the STEM programming gives older kids something more challenging to dive into. The programmable movements are surprisingly smooth, and while it doesn't require any apps or screens, it still manages to sneak in a little learning disguised as fun. The battery life holds up pretty well for a toy with this much going on, and the chargers back up fast enough to avoid long downtimes. Whether it's for a birthday, holiday, or just a surprise treat, this Transform RC car really delivers. Balancing action, creativity, and just the right amount of tech. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.